if you leave a like on today's video in the next 6 seconds, you'll be gifted every single item in Fortnite. Look at this, look at this. Okay, look. That's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and hit Battle Royale. As soon as you hit Battle Royale, as soon as you hit it, bang! You guys have been gifted every single item in Fortnite. This is crazy. Yo, what's up, boys? Casey, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get gifted every single item in Fortnite on your PlayStation or Xbox One. Even PC. This works on every single platform, including like even Nintendo Switch, most likely. So yeah, man, this glitch is absolutely insane. If you guys drop a like, man, I will be doing this for some people. You know, if you guys can't do it, I will be doing it for some people. Just drop your Epic Games username and leave a like on the video, subscribe with those notifications on. That's all you guys got to do. And I just want to say, boys, make sure boys watch this video all the way until the end, as I do actually teach you guys how to do it. And I just want to say, sometimes these DNS servers do get patched, so I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date. But if you guys want to be kept up to date with all these new glitches, make sure boys subscribe with those notifications on, so you never miss a DNS code or anything like that in the future. Anyway, boys, we're actually going to go ahead and get into the glitch on a PlayStation. And yeah, man, let's do this, bro. Okay, so getting started with this glitch, what you guys want to go ahead and do is actually close down your Fortnite, okay? Once you guys do that, you legit just want to go to your network, set up your internet, set up Wi-Fi, and make sure boys go to custom. And like, this is probably you guys got to concentrate, okay? You want to select your Wi-Fi, or you guys can do it for LAN cable, it doesn't matter. Then like after it says like, you know, it's done, please wait, just do automatic. And as soon as you get to the DNS, guys, this is the important part. That's where the glitch happens. You want to go ahead and type in 99.23.271.82, and you want to do the exact same DNS for your secondary, which is 99.23.271.82. That's all you guys have to do. And straight after you enter in this DNS, guys, all you gotta do is hit done, hit next, hit automatic, don't use, and test your internet connection. And that is pretty much it. After you guys have actually done this, you guys can exit out all these menus, simply just wait for your internet to connect again, and then you guys can just launch up Fortnite. Now, this glitch is so easy. You guys are gonna get gifted every single item that ever existed in Fortnite. This is crazy, man. You'll be getting items like the Recon Expert, the Renegade Raider, the Skull Trooper, including the purple version. You'll be getting Gold Trooper. You'll be getting all these skins. Now, I just want to say, boys, sometimes JENSENSNOW does not let you online. So what you guys want to go ahead and do is make sure, boys, are subscribed with the notification bell on to this channel, because I'm going to be making videos like this so you guys can get all the up-to-date DNS codes. So make sure, boys, are subscribed with notifications on, so you guys do never miss a DNS code like this. So yeah, boys, this is really crazy. After the game's done loading and we hit Battle Royale, you guys are going to see we get gifted everything. I'm not going to put any cuts because I want to prove these guys that this is legit. Yes, this glitch does work on Xbox, I believe. So yeah, boys, make sure boys drop a like on this video, man. This is crazy. And if you guys want me to drop more DNS codes, if we smash 25,000 likes on this video, I will give away more DNS codes in my next video, because these are probably going to get patched within 24 hours, or it could be even shorter than that. So as soon as you guys see my uploads, you guys need to click on the video, drop a like, and watch it, because this is crazy, man. So yeah, the sub and notifications on. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date with every single code that does actually get released by JENSENSNOW. Sometimes he does actually turn off the server, so if it doesn't work for you guys, probably turn them off, or the DNS codes have been changed. But as you guys can see, the game is almost done loading, and legit, as soon as it's done loading, all you guys got to do is hit X on your controller to start the game, hit Battle Royale, and it'll pop up on your screen saying you've been gifted every single item in Fortnite. This is crazy. As you guys can see, we're on the Fortnite screen right now. We're going to go ahead and hit press to start. It's going to log us in. We're logging in right now, boys. This is a crazy glitch, man. It's so insane. You guys, all you guys need to do is just create new accounts. You guys can do this. Like, you could get all the skins on so many different accounts, man. It's crazy, bro. Like, honestly, like, look at this, okay, look, that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and hit Battle Royale. As soon as you hit Battle Royale, as soon as you hit it, bang, you guys have been gifted every single item in Fortnite. This is crazy. It comes up Epic Games. There could be a number of reasons why you're getting this item. Enjoy. As you guys can see, we've been gifted every single item in the game. There's 8,033 items. Like this is just crazy, man. You guys have got to subscribe and the notifications on, man. I'm gonna be keeping you guys up to date with all the new DNS codes that do actually get released, man. This is crazy, bro. Like, just look at it. We're gonna go through the items in a second. Like, this is so crazy, man. Like, honestly, like you know, like, this it's just insane. Boys, I just want to say if this video does get taken down, it's because Epic Games has probably strike this video because they don't like glitches like this coming out, because it does actually hurt their company. So I don't know, man. You guys do sub the notifications on, man, and watch every new video that comes out related to getting everything for free. As you guys can see, we've got the 2 blue shields, and we also got the red one. We've got the black shield, and as you guys can see, we're going to go through every item in just a second. Alright, man, it's just insane how many items you can get by doing a simple glitch. Like, this is why I can't stress it enough, man. You guys just need to subscribe. Like, look at all the back blings we're getting. Like, this is just crazy. We're getting all the Alpine Ace back blings. We're getting everything. We're getting every single back bling, every single skin that ever existed, including rare OG skins. As I said, like the Renegade Raider, the Recon Expert, Aerial Assault Trooper, every single Season 1 and Season 2 skin. We're getting all the Battle Pass skins. Like, it's just insane. Like, look at all of this, bro. I'm just speeding it all up right now. Look at everything we are getting. Look at all these back blings. We even got the Galactic Disc, dude. That is the Galaxy back bling. Like, do you guys not understand, man? This is the most insane glitch that's ever been released in Fortnite. Like, you guys need to do this right now, bro. It's so insane, man. Like, I don't know, if you guys could drop a like on this video, get this out here, that would be amazing. And I just want to say, boys, I'm actually going to be, if it doesn't work for you, I am actually going to gift someone all the skins of Fortnite. All you guys got to do is drop your Epic Games username in the comment section below. You just got to leave a like on this video, subscribe with those notifications on, and comment down below your Epic Games username. And if it doesn't work for you, I may be able to do it for you. So just drop your Epic Games name down below, and yeah. But anyway, man, this just saying, we've been gifted every single item in Fortnite, 1,833 items. We've even got the black new skateboard. And like, keep going across, man. We even get the Recon Expert, as I said. Like, we're gonna get every single skin. We even get all the default skins. Like, that's just so weird, man. Like, I don't know, man. This is just crazy, bro. This is honestly the most insane glitch that's ever been released. Like, look at all this. We've got the Ranger. We've got like the Tracker. We've got the Renegade. Like, I don't know, man. Let's just say, look, we've got Aerial Assault Trooper right there. Oh my, that's a super rare skin, guys. Like, that's what I mean, man. You guys can do this, bro. And if you can't, I can do it for you. Just drop the Epic Games username, man. You're gonna get every rare skin, man. And this even works on Xbox, bro. Like, I can't stress it enough. But I mean, Lego, there's a Recon Expert. Like, this is just insane, man. But I mean, anyway, boys, that's pretty much it for today's video. So just make sure you guys do that DNS code. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. This is crazy. Drop a like on the video, subscribe and notifications on, as I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date with all the new DNS codes. Like, we even get the Renegade Raider, the Gold Trooper, the Skull Trooper. Like, this is crazy. But I mean, I'm out, boys. Like, this is bad, man. I'm going to end the video now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do that DNS code, man. If it doesn't work for you, I'll keep you guys up to date on more DNS codes. Make sure, boys, to sub with those notifications on, and make sure, boys, comment down below your Epic Games username, because I might do it for someone. And yeah, man, thank you guys for clicking on this video and watching it until the end. I'll see you, boys, in my next video. And yeah, man, peace out, bro. Do this glitch. It's amazing. Sub with those noties on. Peace out.